Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the basic features of our Good Boy Doggy mod in Kingdom Come Deliverance II. So when pressing F while looking at him, you can pet the dog, and this will increase your bond with the dog and increase his basic stats, which mean that he will help you slay your enemies better. When pressing Alt while looking at our doggy, you see that we have the feed option.
What I have for you.
And right now I don't have any food for him, but if you did, every food that you give him will increase his stats while playing. The second section of the commands are the commands tab, and here you have the track option, which you can give him an item with a scent, for example a shirt or something, and you can follow him and he'll find the person that the item previously belonged to. And there is another command in this section. It's not available right now. It's send home command. When you press it, the mod will return to your nearest camp or tavern or your house. And the third set, you have a free command free. When you press it, your dog will run around in a circle around you, and he won't follow you. He will follow you, but in a distance. He will just sniff things around and help you if needed. If you get, for example, attacked from from a larger group. Another command from the third section is heal. This does exactly what is written. He'll just walk really close to you, follow pretty much everywhere, and help you all the time. And the third is self-explanatory. He'll just stay in one place. These commands, sometimes they won't work because of the bond. You have to keep your bond with the doggy as high as possible, so he will listen to your commands. If your bond is too low, he will run away from you and just come back after some time. So if you enjoyed this video, if you considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Thanks for watching.